welcome to City Life Channel. Today I invite my friend to eat Thai food. To come and eat Thai food, Isan style.
Wow.
So let's see how can he like my food. Let's go and see. Have to tell me the truth now. What's that? Okay. Really? สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome. What is your name?
Michael.
Oh, Michael. Welcome, Michael นะคะ to my channel City Life
Hello.
ค่ะ So today you have to eat my food. Are you ready?
I'll be happy to.
Oh, I hope you like.
But not too spicy, huh?
โอเค yeah เดี๋ยวเรามาเริ่มจากอาหารอย่างแรกกันก่อนเลยนะคะ เป็นสแน็คนะคะ we will start with like the snack okay
That's fine.
okay
Perfect.
you ready to the first one
Absolutely.
Okay.
What's the surprise?
do you know what this is the pork skin
Fried pork skin.
yeah
Okay, very nice.
you can try
Thank you. Can I use my fingers?
yes of course
Very
คนนี้
crunchy.
กินทุกอย่างอะ you eat everything อะ
Of course, no problem.
okay
Very tasty, very crunchy. I like
okay
it.
you have to tell me the truth now what you like and what you don't like
Fantastic. With chili sauce, very nice.
อันที่สองนะคะ อันนี้หน้าตาแบบไม่น่ากินเลยอ่ะ the look is doesn't look good
What's this?
chicken skin
Chicken skin. I'm curious to see the difference between chicken and pork skin. Nice. You
yeah
can taste the chicken.
yeah
Very good. I think I like this one more than pork skin.
yeah
Yep.
I like to eat with some tongue it's so good you know that's good right the next one is papaya salad welcome Michael this is not the normal papaya salad
Okay, so what's this salad about?
baby can you explain what is salad
Pala.
yeah you know pala
Fermentierten Fisch.
Ah, okay.
really my baby not eat that
Ja, das stimmt. Das ist schon.
Oh, spicy.
yeah too spicy
A little bit. Woo. But it's nice.
yeah
I like it. Yes.
but
Just
little
very-
bit spicy oh sorry
No problem. Woo.
okay because he spicy so I will give him this น้ำตกหมูค่ะ it's like pork salad
Pork salad.
like ลาบหมู but
Like labu.
like
Okay.
this you can try to eat with
Ooh, looks nice. Is it spicy? Not spicy.
not really
Little bit.
yeah little bit
My favorite.
yeah you eat in Thailand
No, I don't
No?
think I ever had like this. Very nice. I like it.
we like to eat with som tam you know
This one with some
Yeah,
tam.
yeah.
What are the spices inside here? Many spices?
only chili powder
Yeah.
the
Garlic? Some garlic also?
no what is it shallot
Shallots, yeah.
yeah
Like onion?
spring onion
Spring onion, yeah.
and the rice powder
Rice powder, yeah.
yeah and the fish sauce sugar lemon juice
Very nice.
yeah and the coriander yeah
Very good. It's very nice. I like it a lot. อร่อยมากๆว้า
so I gonna show you some soup this is the tom yum they call egg fish a fish egg.
Fish egg.
Yeah.
Fish egg.
Egg fish. Huh?
Fish head.
Fish egg. Yeah, this is the tom yum fish egg. You have to try this.
Ooh.
Yeah. You eat before?
No, never.
No.
So what taste do I need to expect here, B?
Yeah.
Is this the egg of the fish?
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay, first I try some of the soup. Is it spicy?
No. Look
No?
right.
Looks spicy because
Yeah.
it's all red color. Lemongrass inside.
Yeah.
Can smell it. It's nice. Very nice.
Are you sure?
Yes. So what eggs is this of the fish?
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know.
I just see some people they sell on Facebook and then I ask them, can you deliver me? Thai lady.
Really?
Yeah, we eat this. It's not poison. It's okay.
It's not dangerous.
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You ready? I'm scared, B.
How far the hospital?
Okay. It's okay, it's not so bad.
Yeah.
It's a bit slimy inside the mouth. The taste is not bad, but it's maybe just the imagination.
Yeah.
Because you told me it's fish eggs.
Caviar.
Yeah. So
yeah,
now,
just think about caviar.
so now the fish will pop inside my stomach. And will I feel the fish? Oh.
This is how they look.
Okay.
One enough, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my god.
Oh.
So, you ready for the last one?
Last one? Okay.
This is like the best one I eat almost every time. You know what is this? The chicken fish. Come on, Michael.
So how do I eat the
Yeah,
by hand? Yes?
you can take off.
Okay. So I start slowly, B.
Yeah.
I try the soup first.
Yeah. Oh.
The soup is nice, a little bit spicy, but it's nice. And oh my god, it looks like a human being. Oh. Wow. You know, this part was inside. I only saw this part. And this looks like the,
Can you show
Like-
in the camera?
you know,
You have to hold my
so this was down here. I only saw this part. I only saw this part over here on top, and
Yeah.
it looked like a drumstick, chicken drumstick. So I was thinking, okay, I'm sure it's not so bad, you know. But when I took it out, it looks like a baby hand. And it's so.
Oh my god.
I'm really scared, B. Oh.
But it's good. It's hot. Are you scared?
Oh. Ah! 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 It's so soft, like a human being.
Yeah. That's why I try to make like it's soft when you eat. You don't have to
Chew.
bite. Yeah.
I don't know, B. I will try one more time.
Yeah.
Maybe I
Can you
need
just
to
go like
close my eyes.
it's shaking? Oh my god.
It's too soft. I feel like I'm gonna eat a human being.
Oh,
B, I'm sorry. I don't think
it's okay.
I will stick with this here.
Oh my god.
Um,
What is the best you like in all of this?
so
What is?
I think my favorite. So this pork dish is very nice. Lots of flavor. I like
Chicken.
the chicken skin. Very crispy, very tasty as well. Especially with the chili sauce, it's very nice. I like this as well, very much, but it's a bit too spicy for me.
Okay.
This guy here,
These two guys.
these two guys here, they were a real challenge. This, I mean, the soup here was really nice. Okay, both of the soup itself,
Yeah.
without the contents,
Yeah.
very nice, very nice. The taste is very rich, but the moment I saw this, it doesn't look like fish eggs. It looks more like a fish brain to me. Or something, so that scared me away a little bit. And you know, I love chicken, okay, so I don't know why I would not be able to eat it, but it's just the way it looks. It's scary. It's Halloween basically inside a soup, and it just scares the shit out of me. So if I have to choose one out of all of these dishes as my favorite, it's definitely going to be the pork.
Okay. Thank you, Michael.
Thank you so much, B. Khop Kap.
Thank you guys for watching. See you the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and click like and share for me, please. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
นี่ไง the chicken feet.
Perfect reaction.
Yeah.
I think
It's gonna go viral.
I think it's good. It's good that she didn't come because she thought we were having some Thai delicacies. I mean, which are Thai delicacies, but I don't think she was expecting chicken feet.
Oh my god.
Where did you some in
So
Samui?
I gonna show you how to eat the chicken feet.
The chicken.
Oh, I love it. Thank you, Michael, to not steal my food. I'm gonna show you how to eat the chicken feet. Hello!
Oh.
Amazing Thailand.
Amazing. Is it tasty?
Thai lady. Ooh. Tastes good.
Tastes good.
Yeah.
Are those all the small feet bones there in your?
Yeah. It's all the bone is here. See, so good. I love it. Okay, baby.